and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm gonna talk about a product which can transform your hair in just few drops. It's an iconic product and the product is this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. I have seen a lot of international bloggers use this product and finally it launched in India. And guys, it's a revolutionary product and it can be used for multi-purpose, and yeah, I'll talk about it later. So now let's talk about the packaging first. It comes in this kind of cardboard packaging. The MRP of the serum is $4.99 and you're gonna get 100 ml of product, and it is available online and offline. The bottle of the serum is a golden glass bottle and the bottle looks very luxurious and classy. It comes with this kind of pump dispenser. The pump has a lock system. You have to twist it to unlock the pump and also have to twist it to lock it again, and this pump make this packaging convenient and travel friendly. This serum infused with 6 rare flower oils like lotus, tear, rose, flax, chamomile, sunflower, which add 6x shine to your hair and make it frizz-free. You have to take very little amount in your hand, apply evenly on your hair and tips. The unique formula of the serum perfectly coats hair fiber for extraordinary nourishment, and the hair feels smooth and lightweight with a non-greasy finish. So guys, as I told you before that you can use this serum for multi-purpose. Well, you can use this serum before shampoo to nourish and prepare hair before washing. It is like a hair oiling, and guys, don't use this serum on your scalp, use it just on your hair and the tips. And you can also use this before drying to protect, before blow drying, to protect hair from heat and smoothen hair as it dries. Well guys, this serum can protect your hair from the heat to 30 degrees, and you can use this before your styling as it can protect your hair from heat. And as a finishing touch, you can use this to enhance shine and sublime hair texture, and you can use it as an overnight treatment to get a pampered hair in the next morning. Now the question is, who should use this serum? Well guys, anyone can use this serum. If you have chemically treated hair like bleaching, colored hair or permanent straightening, you can use this serum because it will provide nourishment and it will protect your hair from UV, which is the main enemy of colored hair. If you like to use hair styling tools, then apply this serum before using that hair styling tools, because this serum can protect your hair from heat to 30 degrees. If you have curly hair, then you can use this serum because this serum can make your hair frizz-free and tangles-free. If you are in humid climate condition and facing the frizzy hair issue, then you can use this serum. This is a true frizz killer. You can also apply this serum every day just before your messy bun or smooth ponytails. So guys, this portion of my hair is chemically straightened hair, and this part of my hair is newly freshly growing hair, naturally growing hair, and you can see some waves here. So guys, I have been trying this serum for last 2 weeks. It just smoothen out everything, it just flat those waves and even out everything. And guys, I have tried this serum before shampoo, and yeah, I can feel that softness, that nourishment after shampoo. And the last thing I would like to mention that this serum has very mild floral scent on it, which is elegant and soothing kind of scent, and yeah, I really like that scent. So guys, for 9 to 5 security, it works well for me and my hair stay in place for long, and the best part is it protect my hair from fly away. So guys, that is my thought and review about this product. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys, follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.